Hi, this is Cesar Costa with HouseMaster Home Inspections, and today here we are at the roof looking to an issue that a customer had. The problem here was that the meeting of the flashing with the wall close to the flat roof was not well sealed and they had a leak. So now we are here with a roofer and he is providing sealing to avoid those leaks. So this area is very important. You always need to pay attention when the flashing meets the roof. That's where the problems start. If you have any questions, give me a call at Cesar Costa with HouseMaster Home Inspections.